Paano maging confident sa public speaking? This time, magfo-focus naman tayo kung paano mag-improve yung delivery nyo. Kasi puro outline yung naturo ko before. Hi, I'm Gia. I'm a 25-year-old content creator and entrepreneur. And these are the techniques na ginagamit ko every time that I have a speech or presentation. Improve your vocal variety. Kasama dito ang pitch, tone, volume, at rate. Sa pitch, tataasan mo ba yung boses mo or bababa? Yung tono naman ng boses mo, makaka-impact siya sa emotional content ng speech mo. And then volume, kailangan ba malakas yung boses mo or soft lang? At yung rate ng pagsasalita mo, kailangan ba mabilis or mabagal? Actually guys, pwede nyo namang bilisan yung rate ng pagsasalita mo if hindi importante yung points na sinasabi mo. But if you're trying to emphasize a point, kailangan mong bagalan at mag-pause. Pangalawa ay usage of the stage. Kailangan mong i-maximize yung space. So you can walk while talking and you need to pause and make eye contact. Importante yan to build rapport with your audience. Lastly, open body language. According to a study conducted by Albert Mehrabian, a researcher of